Okay.
Okay, lift your head.
Oh, wait, my hair's caught in
Oh
this.
shit, your head's caught already? Stretch your neck for me, okay?
Oh.
That was the most wild thing I've ever heard.
Are you for real? It went to like the middle of my back.
Oh my god.
Yo.
Oh.
And
Oh my. Just relax. Wow.
my neck will always get me on.
You can't even talk. Good. Yeah. You are hypermobile, but we get it.
Yeah.
For that shoulder.
Mm-hmm.
There it goes.
Wow, that was never gone before. Like, people have tried so much. Oh my god.